Thank you. 1537. Ain't that cool, man? Bro, bro, the thing is, when it comes to different bus types, yeah, you'll notice that different manufacturers do their style a bit differently. Like, bro, you got ramps lighting up, you got the lights lighting up there. Like, what is that about? Like, is it that needed? But it's cool. But is it that needed though? Do you have to put lights there to alert us? Or all people are people that blind? I mean, actually, some people are. You'll be surprised. Some people literally walk into the ramp as it's opening.